lottery mindset. It really is a plague that modern society is really programmed into a lot of people's minds. You can have a lottery mindset and it not just be about the lottery. Success is not just going to fall in your lap with little to no planning or effort on your part. Just because you have these ideas that you want to live this certain life and be able to throw money at whatever you want and not have a care in the world and it's just going to come quick, it's not real. Any successful person will tell you that. And you really need to stop thinking this way. If you truly want to change the direction and path that you're on and build a successful future in anything, and just get out of the mindset of what you don't have and start focusing on the things that you do have. I don't care who you are. God has given you value. God does not make junk. You have value that you can share with the world and build something that you're proud of. But don't get me wrong, it's going to take hard work. You're going to have to work when most people are taking it easy. Maybe you're going to have to get up early. Do you realize how beautiful sunrises are? Anyways, you might be the only person working when you have to get up in order to hit your goals, but you're working for yourself. You're building and investing in your future. You're not going to find it here, trust me. Do you want to know what the odds are of becoming a millionaire? 1 in 300 million. Do you want to know what the odds are of you getting struck by an asteroid? 1 in 600,000. You're more likely to get hit by space debris than to win the lottery. You got to focus on long-term goals, decide what you want to do and where you want to be, work backwards, and set up blocks and weekly sprints on how you're going to get to that goal. And with that hard work, you need to learn to work smarter and not harder. Find automation that can help get you closer to that goal. A wise man once said, "Dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow." If I could tell you how to do this, would you want to listen?